My daughter's use of ChatGPT for homework was heartbreaking, but I taught her a lesson. My 11-year-old daughter Mia is in her final year of elementary school. She uses my ChatGPT account for her homework sometimes, and I never really minded, until one day I decided to check her chat history, and what I saw genuinely broke my heart. One of her first questions was, "How many seconds are in 3 minutes?" Okay, I told myself. Maybe she blanked out for a second, but as I scrolled further, my heart sank. She had asked ChatGPT every single question from her 2-page math worksheet. Questions as basic as, how many hours are there in one day and 7 hours? Just 24 plus 7. No thinking, no effort. Just copy, paste, move on. Then came her English homework, a short 150-word poem to analyze. Instead of reading it herself, she pasted it into ChatGPT and kept asking it to shorten the explanation. From a paragraph to a line, then eventually, to a dull 7-word sentence with no depth. She copied it straight into her notebook, without even reading it. All the while, Squid Game was blaring in the background. She wasn't reading, wasn't learning, just outsourcing her entire brain. And I realized this wasn't laziness anymore. It was becoming a habit. The next day, she proudly told me how quickly she finished her homework. She expected praise. Instead, I asked, "What if your teacher asks you to explain this in class?" She shrugged and said, "I'd just ask ChatGPT again." That's when I knew this wasn't a tech problem. It was a life lesson waiting to happen. I calmly logged out of ChatGPT from every device and changed the password. Then I sat beside her and said, "Today, you'll do your homework yourself. I'm right here, but no shortcuts." She protested. She cried. She struggled. But 30 minutes in, she solved a math problem on her own. And the look on her face when she did? Pride. I smiled and told her, "What you earned today is called confidence. An AI can't give you that." Then I told her this. If 2 kids try to climb a tree, one uses a lift, the other climbs it slowly, branch by branch, they both reach the top. But when a storm hits, the one who climbed knows how to hold on. The other one falls, because they never learned to grip. She didn't say a word, just nodded, quietly. Since that day, she still uses ChatGPT. But now she asks why, not just what. Her notebooks aren't perfect anymore, but they're hers. And that, to me, is far more valuable than any correct answer.